Tonight's dinner is sorted with this chicken piccata, which is so lemony and crispy and really easy to make. Let's get stuck into the recipe. If you're joining this channel for the first time, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you enjoy this video, because it helps out a lot. The first thing we're going to begin with is this lemon sauce that goes with the chicken piccata at the end. But I want to show you how to make that first. So in a medium-sized pot on medium heat, you're going to add some butter, garlic, some chicken stock, white wine and fresh lemon juice. And you're going to stir that until it starts bubbling. Let it continue bubbling for a couple minutes and then take it off the stove. Now with the chicken, today we're going to be using chicken breast. We're going to slice each of those in half. Today we're going to be using 3 or 4 chicken breasts depending on the size. Slicing it in half is going to result in a little bit thinner slices. And another thing we're going to do is add some plastic wrap on top and just hit it with I don't know what these are called. They're like a hammer or a mallet. But we're going to focus on the thickest part of the chicken slice because we want to aim to have our chicken slice the same even thickness, which is going to ensure that this all cooks at the same time and no bits are overcooked and no bits are undercooked. Add that to a mixing bowl along with some mayonnaise, an egg, some garlic, pepper, salt, some flour, and use clean hands to mix everything together. Let's move on to the crumb mixture. It's mostly made of grated Parmesan cheese. I would recommend using fresh Parmesan, freshly grated. It's better than the store-bought stuff, but you can use the already grated stuff if you like. To that, you're going to add some all-purpose flour, pepper, and salt, and a little bit of lemon zest, and you're going to mix that until everything is well combined. Oh, you're also going to add some parsley. Then we are going to take our chicken one slice at a time and coat it in that coating. To a large fry pan, you're going to add a little bit of vegetable oil and a knob of butter, and you're going to have this on medium-low heat, just below medium heat. Anything higher than that and your butter and oil mixture will burn, and the chicken will burn on the outside but won't cook on the inside. So it needs to be that nice kind of medium heat that's going to allow everything to get crispy and golden, but everything's going to cook in the center. Once it has, take it out and cook the rest of your chicken. Once you've finished cooking all of your chicken, wipe down your fry pan using a paper towel, add that lemon sauce in there while it's really hot, add your chicken in there, top it with some capers, some fresh parsley, and guys, you could serve this with a salad, you could serve it with some rice, you can pretty much serve it with whatever you like. It is so quick and easy to make, and it is a great weeknight dinner for the family. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this really easy chicken piccata, great weeknight chicken meal for the whole family that they're going to love. Really lemony and tasty and so juicy. Grab the recipe on my website, thescryline.com, and there's loads of recipes there that you can go check out right now. I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scryline Every Day.